everyone, Diana D here with Diana D Loves Yarn, and I wanted to come on tonight and share with you my happy mail that came tonight. It was my winnings from Dee's Creative Hands. I had won the big box giveaway, and I am super excited that I won that, and I would like to share it with all of you tonight. I'm sorry about the light. I tried to record this without it, but you can't see anything that I'm trying to show on the screen, so we're just going to have to go this route, and hopefully it works. So in the big box, I got a notebook with a matching planner. A bag of candy, and a couple real pretty stitch markers, just gorgeous, and I got a star ornament. That's a beaded star. Gorgeous. A tape measure. A beautiful sun catcher. Can you see that in there? It's just gorgeous. A pair of earbuds. One of these amazing ink pens that she makes or puts together. Sorry, hold on. Alright, sorry about that. A friendship bracelet. One of these gorgeous necklaces with the pink stone. And a really cute cat stitch marker. Oops. Turn around. There you go. Adorable. Some Christmas stitch markers. Or earrings. You could use it for either one. Super cute. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I think I might use them as earrings myself. They're probably supposed to be earrings, but some people use earrings as stitch markers nowadays. A pair of the nice scissors. A button that says, "You rock." Isn't that cute? Some darning needles and stitch markers that are in the bottom there. And then, let me put this stuff in here real quick, and then I'll show you the yarn that came with all this gorgeousness. Okay, so in with the big box is 4 of these skeins of Bernat blanket yarn. Can you see? I'm trying to find the color. Here it is. The color is Merlot. It's a 6 weight. And very pretty colors. Very pretty color. But there's 4 of those. And then there's 10 of these, which is the Soho Cloud Cozy, and they feel super, super soft. Three of the Sweet Roll DK cakes. Very pretty colors. A 4-pack of the Hirschner's Celebrate yarn. It's the Christmas pack, which I love that. I got 4 of these coconut cakes, and I've never had the coconut cakes, so I'm kind of curious to try that and see how I like it. And then there's 3 hanks of the Vitalana yarn, and oh, is this stuff soft. It is super, super soft. It's called Fatigue Green, and 100% Peruvian Highland wool, sport weight, 328 yards per hank. And I love that color, and they're super, super soft. There was a couple yarn inspiration patterns in there also, and then there's 2 of these Himalaya Lana Lux 400s. They are 50% acrylic, 50% wool, and they're a number 2 fine weight. This one is called Renk, R-E-N-K. It's kind of it's a blue. And this, oh, I guess that's not the color because this one says the same. So I'm not sure what the color names are. I'm sorry. But the other one is this gray. Super pretty. And then the third one is this, another shade of blue. Very pretty, pretty yarns. But that was all in my big box win. And I will be back with another video because I also won another giveaway she had. So I will be back to show that one. But thank you for coming and watching me unbox my winnings, and I will see you all soon.